Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The Ministry of Health is responding to concerns that enough isn't being done to address the mental health issues in the country. Shamela Pullen has part 2 in this Primetime News special report.
For years, the Ministry of Health has been under pressure to increase resources to address mental health. This is how Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton responded when we put the issues to him.
Yeah, there's always a need for more, and not only in all the different areas. So it's hard to reach a figure where everybody agrees.
Here's a breakdown of what obtains in the country. In the Southeast Regional Health Authority, there are 21 mental health officers with 31 psychiatric nursing aides. In Southern Regional Health Authority, that number is 17 to 27. In the Northeast Regional Health Authority, there are 10 mental health officers and 23 psychiatric nursing aides, while in the Western Regional Health Authority, 22 mental health officers to 26 psychiatric nursing aides. But experts are lamenting that this is not enough.
If we get 5 calls, or let's be realistic, 2 calls at one time, we have to make a decision which one we respond to within the same time. That's every day that happens. And so not all situations will allow you to be able to safely bring in one person to be managed in our emergency room, which is where we take patients to then return to the other site for the other person. It doesn't work out all the time.
We have approximately 98 mental health officers for the island, but you need many, many more. It's approximately, I think we need on 538.
But the Ministry of Health maintains more personnel are being trained.
We are actually training persons currently now become psychiatric nursing aides. So we actually have to really increase the training. But the training has been put on hold somewhat because of COVID-19, but we have restarted the training a couple of weeks ago.
How many of these persons in training now?
It's approximately 40 persons they're training now.
Additionally, before the pandemic, a mental health helpline was launched in 2019. Dr. Goldburn admits the calls were slow in coming at first, but that has changed.
When we look on the April to June use of it last year compared to this year, it almost doubled in number of calls. So what 230 calls last year, and in this year over 500 and something calls we have had in that same period of time.
Helpline aside, it doesn't appear any more funds will be pumped into dealing with mental health in Jamaica.
The ministry has. I mean, all of what I've just said has taken resources. I mean, it's not, you have to pay the people that you hire. You have to pay for the buses that you purchase, and the communications, which has been increased over time, has come out of the budget around COVID.
Among the warning signs of mental illness are changing moods, social withdrawal, anxiety, and paranoia. Experts advise that you seek help early to prevent long-lasting impact. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.